If your curiosity is as strong as Sam's, you might just uncover a hidden world. Today, we're exploring a magical garden that defies all odds. At the edge of a dense, mysterious forest, there stood a tall, thorny hedge. Legends whispered about a hidden garden beyond it, filled with rare flowers and fruits that could heal any illness. Many tried to break through, but the thorns were too thick. Then came Sam, a young boy from the village. Unlike others, he didn't use force. He observed. One day, he found a tiny path winding through the thorns. Following it carefully, the thorns seemed to part just for him. And there it was, the hidden garden. Vibrant flowers, tall trees, shimmering streams. The air was sweet with the scent of blooming flowers, and sunlight danced on the leaves. Sam picked some magical flowers and fruit and brought them back to the village. The villagers were overjoyed, and the sick were healed. Sam's discovery showed that patience and careful observation can unlock the greatest mysteries. The hidden garden became a place of wonder, teaching everyone that beauty is often found when we truly take the time to see.